Welcome each of you, each of the supporters on stage, and thank you all of them already up front. But now we start, ladies first, I think. We start with Lara Pavlic from 2Spark Learning. So, and the question for this elevator pitch for all of them is how they support the idea of this conference to design the digital transformation.
Hello. Well, thank you for the honor. Thank you for your attention. 2Spark is a relatively young player in the industry. We're only 4 years old and have been present in the transformation industry for only 2 years. The purpose of our motto is basically to help really large organizations transform themselves in just 1 minute per day over time. So a lot of the things that were said this morning were music to our ears because overtime and habit and engagement are really at the core of what we do. We work as much on the tool side of things, so on the sharing of information, as much as on the engagement side. As a matter of fact, we spend close to 70% of our efforts on the engagement of employees. This has resulted in acquiring relatively large and prestigious customers for us. We have banks, we have healthcare institutions, we have postal institutions across Europe, in 15 countries in Europe, and have close to 10,000 users using our platform today, hopefully 50,000 users by the end of this year. And that's very much what we do.
Thank you, Lara. So come over here and we'll take the next one on stage. It's Alexandre Cipriani from Microsoft. Well, we know Microsoft.
We are not quite new in the industry.
No, but how is Microsoft supporting this new idea of designing the digital transformation?
Digital transformation. First of all, the point is we are talking now about digital transformation, but really my vision and more at Microsoft, we are thinking that it's not the topic. The topic is transformation, and Jane was saying that we don't have the answer now. It's because we are facing complex problems, and it depends a lot if you are talking about a company in finance or a company in oil and gas. And as digital is a support of a new way of interacting, it's really depending on the sector or on the company. So how we build and how we are changing the way we work at Microsoft, we are working a lot on the topic of the graph, and especially the Office graph. That is a layer that you can find on all the technologies and which is open, will be actually. And on the Office graph, we will help companies to manage this complexity and adapt quickly. And the second thing is that we accelerated a lot the pace of the new capabilities we ship in our products, and now we are improving every week and every day for Yammer, actually, the product for all our customers.
Thank you, Alexandre Cipriani from Microsoft. And next, Dominique Reilly. We'll just go one by the other, from Bluekiwi Software.
Yes, good morning everyone. My name is Dominique Reilly and I'm new CEO of Bluekiwi. We are offering a digital transformation platform and software as a service. We have offices in France, in the Netherlands, in Spain and Austria, and for the last 8 years we've been helping large and mid-sized organizations in the digital transformation. So I want to give you a few examples. Some of our customers are manufacturing companies, and we have, for example, a discrete manufacturing organization that has been improving their supply chain using Bluekiwi, especially identifying the key improvement actions to improve their process. Another example is with a local government that is managing their project with both employees and external service providers, and also has improved their response time and their decision time through the platform. The third example I had in mind was a large services organization that has reduced the time it takes to give an answer to a specific question, specific problem, from 48 hours to 48 minutes, so pretty drastic. We have other examples. We use also our own software. We've used it for managing our ISO certification process, ISO 9001, 27001. Also other examples in the sales process improvement, reducing the number of participants in the sales qualification meetings, and thereby improving security and making better use of the people's time. So see examples across lots of different areas in the organization, help desk as well, R&D, sales, and I would like to encourage you, in order to have a better idea and more detailed idea of the use case that are at work today in the digital transformation, to listen to customers that are present today and tomorrow. Right after the coffee break, we have Manon Enoch from Michelin, who will be speaking. Tomorrow we have Olivier Murat from Woodport, and also invite you to visit us at our booth. Thank you.
Thank you, Dominique Rillier. Next on stage is Vincent Boudreau from Jalios.
Hi everybody. So Jalios is a French editor of a digital platform to better collaborate and better communicate. According to Arctus, Observatory of the Internet, Jalios is the first French editor, and according to l'Echo, it is one of the most comprehensive tools. So definitely the most difficult point is to change mindset, to change organization, to change practices. But all that is possible because of the tools. So it is an important point. And what provides Jalios is a single point of access to information, to event, to knowledge, to documents, to conversation, and homogeneous access. It makes possible for community manager, for leader, whatever we call them, but it depends if it is a community or if it is a working team. And it provides them the capability to choose the services best suited for the purpose. And finally, we offer to enterprise, to the IT directors, the capability to choose the business application, the business component, the mailing tool, and so on, and to have the freedom to choose the best of breed of different providers.
Thank you, Vincent. Yeah. Next on stage is Niklas Otte from SAP.
Thank you, Björn. Hello, everyone. My name is Niklas Otte. I'm driving the business development for our social collaboration platform, SAP Jam. This morning, my colleague Lars, who's with me here, and we have a booth, so he will be at the booth. He recommended that I do the 2-minute pitch by saying SAP Jam as many times as possible in the 2 minutes. No, Lars, I'm not going to do this. Rather, I want to quickly explain what SAP is all about in the area of social business, digital transformation. I could spend a lot of time explaining this. Rather, I want to bring you our key vision that SAP is deeply convinced, and this also applies to me personally, that the digital revolution that we are currently expecting in our private life, what we are going through in our daily life, as well as in business, that this is a true revolution. It's just that. And so as a result, we can define where we are as part of that revolution. Maybe it's we're going through an evolution, and we at SAP are experiencing the same thing as you in your enterprise or as other big companies, given that we've been around for over 40 years, which is a long time for an IT company. So we're experiencing the same journey as a company, and then as a vendor, of course, as a provider of technology that is helping and enabling digital transformation. We are, of course, also addressing digital transformation in the sense that we want to provide the context for the digital workplace and for us as employees in the digital workplace. And as part of such, with SAP Jam, we introduced work patterns, which brings together not only people, but information, data, and we talked about processes, right? So we need to have the context from our daily work, which may come from business applications. So this is one thing that we've provided as an innovation. And Lars and I, we will, of course, we would be happy to show you our solution at the booth or to talk about the Digital Business Initiative. And we brought another revolution with us, the coffee revolution. We have coffee mugs, so don't hesitate to grab one. Thank you.
Thank you, Niklas. And last but not least, Frank Wolf from EO Technologies.
Thank you. My name is Frank. I'm one of the founders of EO, the employee app. It's actually not just an app, it's a full social software as a service solution that provides a whole new way, a whole new idea on how to create a mobile channel for all your employees within your company, and provide it for company devices and also private devices. And the question is, why do we think that is important? We see today that intranets and social business platforms, they do not find their audience. Participation is often disappointing, and this means we reach fewer people instead of more people with these new technologies. And then there's another group which is often totally forgotten. This is a group of frontline employees working out in field services, production workers, blue-collar workers who work in warehouse production, who do not have access at all to these new digital platforms. 2/3 of employees today do not have their own working desk. And this means, for us, it's impossible to talk about digital transformation if you just digitally reach a minority of your people. And this means for us, mobile access is really getting really important. Easy mobile access is not just a feature out of many other features. Mobile access dramatically improves the way an intranet has an impact and an intranet has a reach into the audience. And that's basically the mission we are all about. Mobile comes with challenges like what are good use cases, how do we deal with information security, how do we deal with bigger effort for the environment, for the apps, native apps, and so on. And that's exactly the point where we built EO, the employee app. This is a solution that addresses those challenges. It's a solution that's built to work within an existing infrastructure with your intranets, with your social collaboration solution, and it's a solution that's very easy to implement, very easy to get started with. And to all this together in one sentence, if mobile is on your agenda, if a bigger, farther reach to your employees on your agenda, please have a look at our solution, come and talk to us for the next 2 days, and enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Frank. Thank you all of these 6 conference.